Welcome to Cooking with Kelsey and Caitlyn.
I'm Kelsey
and I'm Caitlyn. So this is our first video, and basically what we're gonna be doing on this channel is like cooking and like all that good stuff. But some days we decided that some days we're gonna do like challenges or like fun stuff, maybe some like gaming videos, Fortnite videos, Minecraft videos, Fortnite videos. I don't know. Okay, so but since this is our first, oh my God, Kelsey. Okay, so so today for this video,
it's like about us.
Yeah, we're gonna. So here we have this.
Jar full of Post-it
we have this
questions on
lovely mason jar here, and it has a bunch of questions in it, and we're gonna be answering them. First, you have to learn a little bit about. Okay, so sorry for the other noise in the first clip. It was just because my air conditioning was on, so. That sounded like her. Okay, so first question. Do you want to go first?
Sure.
Let's do.
Well, we're each gonna answer it.
Okay.
You just pick first.
Okay. Why am I scared? Okay. The first question is favorite color. My favorite color is probably like pink or like turquoise.
Mine's probably like lavender.
Oh yeah, I like lavender.
Teal or white.
I forgot about lavender. Oh, yeah, and this color of the jar.
Yeah.
And like this pink or like lavender.
The lavender, you like just like this color. Like that color.
Yeah. That was her iPad.
Yeah.
If you're wondering. We'll see.
Favorite animal.
Favorite animal.
And I wrote these, that's why they're like horrible.
Okay. So
my favorite animal is either a polar bear or a pig. I love them so much.
Okay, so my favorite animal is probably like a dog or
I also like hamsters.
yeah, a dog or I have a guinea pig. Oh my gosh, Kelsey! Yes!
Okay, wait, what's your favorite animal?
Okay, so either a dog or I'm just kidding. Okay. I don't know, I really love dogs. I have 2 doggies, they're so cute.
I also have 2 dogs. Okay, moving on. You pick the next.
And then hers are Roger and Mika, and mine are Louie and Gatsby.
Okay, pick a question.
I can't open it. Favorite store?
Like to shop at?
Yeah. Mine would probably be Brandy Melville or Sephora.
I like
or PacSun. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
Melville.
Yeah, or PacSun. I don't know. You know, all those stores. Okay, you pick a question now.
Favorite TV show?
Oh, that's a hard one. I
don't really have a favorite one.
Yeah, I mean, no, I know that I do, but wait, is there a favorite movie in here? Okay. I don't really have a favorite TV show.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. My bad. They're all stuck to each other. Okay. Sports we do. Okay, so I'm an all-star cheerleader at South Fisher 360. So basically what you do, it's like not, you don't have pom-poms, and it's not like sideline cheer, like give me an A, like you act, like, you know,
competitive cheer.
Yeah, competitive cheer. Like, you know, dance, like you have a routine, like a dance routine, but like you have stunts and like tumbling in it, and then you compete your routine against other teams.
I do gymnastics. And I kind of do volleyball. Not really.
I do lacrosse too. I forgot about that. Okay.
Wait, isn't it my turn to pick
Oh
one?
yeah, sorry. Okay, pick one.
I'll pick the one that's unfolded. Favorite movie?
Favorite movie, okay. My favorite movie is anything Marvel.
I like To All the Boys I've Loved Before.
Oh yeah, that's a good movie.
I love
that movie. I like that movie, and literally anything that's Marvel, I will love.
That's 2, I think.
Oh, that is.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Age. I'm 12.
I'm 11.
She's in 6th grade, I'm in 7th grade, and I turned 13 in a few months.
And
I turned
12 in 11 days.
11. What? It's your birthday in 11?
12.
Oh yeah! Oh my gosh, I didn't know that. It's September 1st, if you're wondering. It's almost Halloween. I love the holidays. Sorry,
Almost Halloween.
Well, yeah.
Okay,
2 months.
last one.
My birthday's November 29th, if you're wondering. So I turned 13 in 2 months. Okay.
Okay, last one. Favorite food?
Ooh,
Pasta.
that's what I was getting. Okay, either pasta or pizza or like.
I like Italian food.
No, it's bagels.
I like Italian food.
Oh, also, like I really like pumpkin spice lattes. I don't know. It's really off.
Well,
Anyways, that was it for
that's the
today.
video.
So, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Of the night.